to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma and I welcome all of you at the very own channel of yours. It's SSC English Medium by Exampur. My dear students, let me be very clear. In this very session, now we are going to solve the previous year paper part 19. So now this is a great initiative at our end. So what is our aim? The aim is basically that you all should be exam ready. We are willing to make you all exam ready. We want all of you to be shock proof in exam, and that is why we are helping you to solve all previous year papers. From the last 18 days, we are discussing past year papers of CPO or CHSL or STENO, the latest ones. Okay, and now today we have come up with a previous year paper 19 session. Now in this, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the All India mock that was conducted by Exampur Pan India. So Pan India, this mock was conducted by Exampur. So now, if you want to see the level of Exampur's mock and what is its similarity with the real paper, you will witness that. And that is why I am telling you, start taking Exampur mocks very seriously. Because the mocks of Exampur are very much parallel, in line with the actual paper of the SSC. And you will witness that today. We are going to solve enough of questions and I'm very sure you are going to enjoy it. But before that, have a look at the thought of the day, which says, life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. My dear students, so Vikramaditya, a very happy morning. Good morning. My dear students, never compare your life with anybody. Everyone's life has different set of problems, different set of question papers, different set of questions to be answered. So obviously the answers or the chronology of answers can also never be same. Everyone is different from other in some or the other way. Okay, so never ever compare your life with anybody, and this is where the problem happens, when you compare yourself with others. Okay, do not compare yourself with others. Try to improve, try to take it as a challenge, that try to be a better person than you were day before yesterday. Then try to be a better person than you were yesterday. Tomorrow, try to be a better person than you are today. Day after tomorrow, try to be a better person than you will be tomorrow. And this is how life goes. Okay, so life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper, guys, altogether. And with these words, let us start, my dear students, with the first question. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Solve this. The time is about to get over. Hurry up. I would request everybody, those who are live, that please kindly like this session. It's extremely important. It's extremely important, guys. Please quickly like the session. Now see what is happening. What is happening over here? It is telling you that some vowels are words. Okay, some of the vowels are words. And after some vowels are words, only a few words are sentences. Now only a few words or sentences can be here. Only a few words or sentences can be here. Now that is the point. Only a few words or sentences means there is some part of word which is sentence and simultaneously some other part of word which is not sentence. See example, only a few odd numbers are prime. What does that mean? It means that there are some odd numbers which are prime and simultaneously there are some other odd numbers which are non-prime. The same way it will continue. So now, my dear students, if I talk about the conclusions, some words are not sentences. This is absolutely true. Only a few words are sentences itself means that there is some part of words which are sentences and simultaneously some other parts of words which are not sentences. Similarly, Some vowels are sentences. Some vowels are sentences may be true if I draw a sentence in this manner, or may not be true if I draw a sentence in this manner. So overall it is can't say. And therefore the correct answer is option number A, only conclusion 1 follows. So please keep this in mind. See, this is the level of the syllogism question of Exampur. We are already one level ahead. Only a few A is B means there is some portion of A which is B and simultaneously some other portion of A which is not B. Keep it in mind. Now the next one. Continue. Another question for you to practice. So Vikramaditya, I hope you have understood it. Quickly everyone, see again the similar kind of question. Again the similar kind of question where all the numbers are natural. All the numbers are natural and only a few numbers are prime. Only a few numbers of prime can be drawn in this way. Only a few numbers of prime can be drawn in this way. Only a few numbers of prime can be drawn in this way. So there are multiple ways. Now let us see the conclusion. It is telling you no prime is a number. Now no prime is a number, saying that no prime is a number is wrong. It's false. Okay. And then some prime are natural. See, some prime are natural will obviously be true. Some prime is natural will obviously be true. And therefore, the right answer is only second follows. And congratulations, Vikramaditya. You are right this time. Okay. Next one. So, we were solving questions of syllogism. Now, this is of a different type. Solve this. This is slightly of a different type. But it is a question of syllogism. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. See, the time is up. See, read the given statements. No tablet is computer. Read the given statements. No tablet is computer. After no tablet is computer, all computer are mobiles. Now, which of the given conclusion logically follows? Now, the first one is no tablet is a mobile. No tablet is a mobile is can't say, because mobile I can also draw in this manner. No mobile is a tablet is again can't say, because mobile, as I said, we can draw in this manner. Some mobiles are computer is absolutely true. And then all mobiles are computer is can't say. So the right one is option number C. It is the one which definitely follows. So Siddharam, I hope you are getting this. See, all when it said that all computers are mobiles, I had drawn in this way. Had I drawn all computers are mobiles in this way, that they are overlapping, they are parallel, then what would have been the case? See, in that case, all mobiles or computers would have been true. In this case, it is not true. That is why I wrote it as can't say. But at least this one is always true. Some mobiles or computer will always be true. That is why it's definitely true. Okay. Next. Another question of syllogism. Quickly. Hurry up. Now see, only a few coffee or tea. Only a few coffee or tea I can draw in this manner, or only a few coffee or tea I can draw in this manner. Both are correct. Now all tea or drinks I have drawn in this manner. All tea or drinks I have drawn in this manner. Now only a few drinks are cold drinks. Only a few drinks or cold drinks I have drawn in this manner. Only a few drinks or cold drink I have drawn in this manner. So there are multiple diagrams which can be drawn. Now the first conclusion, some tea is not cold drink. Some tea is not cold drink. See, some tea is not cold drink. It may or may not be true. It can't say. Why it can't say? Because I can draw only a few drinks or cold drinks in this manner also. Here also I can draw only a few drinks or cold drinks in this manner also. So some tea is not cold drinks will not be correct that time. Now no coffee is a drink. See, no coffee is a drink is false. Some part of coffee will be drink always. Some part of coffee will be drink always. So basically none of them follows. Basically none of them follows. And Vikramaditya, you are absolutely right. Very good. Very good, guys. So now we were solving questions of syllogism. Now let us solve some questions of blood relation. Hurry up. Hurry up. Now see, my dear students. Now here everything is given to you. Now it is telling you that which of the following shows that P is husband of SS sister. P is the husband of whom? SS sister. So now have a look at this. My dear students, P star Q. P star Q means P is the daughter of Q. P star Q means P is the daughter of Q. If P is the daughter, that means female. Can P be the husband? Obviously no. Now here, my dear students, option B, P percentage Q means P is the father of Q. P percentage Q means P is the father of Q. Q exclamation mark R, Q exclamation mark R means Q is the sister of R. And now R star S means R is the daughter of S. Okay, so obviously now P and S are husband wife, but now does that shows that P is the husband of S's sister? Does that shows that P is the husband of S's sister? No, it shows that P is the husband of S. So this is again wrong. Now my dear students, again P star means P is the daughter. Now the moment it is P is the daughter, can P be the husband? Obviously no. So therefore now what is the possible answer? The possible answer is D only, because only it is left. Because P percentage Q means P is the father of Q. P percentage Q means P is the father of Q. Now Q star R means Q is the daughter of R. Okay, and now R exclamation mark S means R is the sister of S. So see, P is the husband of S's sister. P is the husband of S's sister is very much happening. So therefore D is the right answer. Alright. Okay, moving ahead. Solve this one. Hurry up. Now see, my dear students, Rana's mother is the only daughter of Mohini's father. Okay, my dear students, Raina's mother is the only daughter of Mohini's father. Okay, so maybe this is the diagram. See, I've already represented the sign conventions. Male plus female minus couple equals to. This is purely a sign convention. If you wish, you can keep the same or you can reverse that as well as per your choice. So Raina's mother is the only daughter of Mohini's father. Okay. So now Mohini's father. So Mohini itself will be male. Okay. How is Mohini's husband? Okay. Now just tell me. Now just tell me, my dear students. Have a look at this. What does that mean? What does that mean? See, Rohini's mother is the only daughter of Mohini's father. How is Mohini's husband related to Raina? Now see, this is the diagram. This is the diagram, my dear students. Father is the right answer. See, what is happening over here? Raina's mother, okay, Raina's mother is the only daughter of Mohini's father. Is the only daughter of Mohini's father. And how is Mohini's husband related to Raina? Father. Father, as simple as that. So do not be confused. This was a simple one. Next one, the seventh question. Now see, a cube is made by folding the given sheet. This is the open form of dice. Okay, this is the open form of dice. The picture that you can see, the image that you can see is a open form of dice. And in a open form of dice, my dear students, in the open form of dice, the faces at gap of one are opposite to each other. The faces at gap of one are opposite to each other. Okay. So now, my dear students, you can see U and M have a common vertex. Now, since they have a common vertex, they can never be opposite to each other. Opposite faces cannot share common vertex. Y and A can never be opposite to each other. They are neighbors. A and S can never be opposite to each other. They share common vertex. K and A are very much opposite because they are at gap of 1. See, my dear students, in the open form of dice, the faces at gap of 1 are opposite to each other. Okay, fine. So A's opposite is K. That's absolutely fine. They do not share any common vertex as well. Next, the next question of dice. Hurry up. Very good, Siddharam. Very good, Vikramaditya. Quickly, everybody. Concentrate and focus. Quickly, everyone. Now see, my dear students, have a look at this. So again, this is the open form of dice, and in the open form of dice, the faces at gap of 1 are opposite. So at a gap of 1 face from 6 is 4, so 6 opposite is 4. Now if 6 is opposite is 4, they cannot be seen together. 3 is at a gap of 1 place from 5, so 3 is opposite is 5. If 3 is opposite is 5, they cannot be seen together. Now 1's opposite is 2. Now since 1's opposite is 2, so 1 and 2 cannot be seen together. So therefore the right answer is obviously the C1. Okay, the C. Very good, Siddharam. Very good, Vikramaditya. Now see, I will request everybody, those who are live, to please kindly like and share this session. Quickly, everyone. Now see, which of the following cubes cannot be made by folding the given question part? SUNQ. Yes, very much. SUNQ. SUNQ in anti-clockwise direction, you can see. This can very much be formed. TR and S. TR and S very much you can see over here. Fine. QTNP. QTNP cannot be seen together. TP and R. TP and R can very much seen together. So all of them can be seen together except option number 3. So that is the correct answer. Very good guys. Next one. So now, as of now, we were solving questions of blood relation, questions of dice, before that syllogism, and now seating arrangement. Because now, as you all are well aware, the papers are very much dynamic. Change can happen anytime. Okay, everybody? Now see what is happening over here. 8 persons A to H are sitting around a circular table, okay? 8 persons A to H are sitting around a circular table. All of them are facing inside, fine. So all of these 8 persons, they are facing inward. Inward means inside, okay? Now to solve this question, I will be giving you 1 more minute. So do not worry, okay? Solve this. Just 2 minutes to solve this very simple question, which will be easily fetching you up to 5 questions. This time 5, generally it's up to 5. Up to 5 means the upper limit is 5. 3 or 4 questions under it can also come. Quickly everybody. Now see my dear students, 8 persons A to H are sitting around a circular table, all of them are facing inside. Now 2 persons are sitting between E and C. Now F sits, see 2 persons are sitting between E and C is fine, but we don't know who is at left, who is at right. After that, F sits second to the right of C. Now suppose if I keep C over here, F sits second to the right of C, okay? F sits second to the right of C, and 2 persons between C and E, 1 and 2 E can be here, or 1 and 2 E can be here. That's it. So I have taken both the cases, okay? Next. G sits third to the left of D. G sits third to the left of D, okay? G sits third to the left of D. D is neither an immediate neighbor of F nor C. D is neither an immediate neighbor of F nor C. So D cannot be neighbor of F, D cannot be neighbor of C. D cannot be neighbor of F, D cannot be neighbor of C. Now suppose if you keep D over here, then D is 1, 2 and third left G is possible? Yes. If you keep D over here, D is 1, 2 and third left G is possible? Yes. If you keep D over here, D is third left 1, 2 and 3 G is possible? No. If you keep D over here, it's third left G is possible 1, 2 and 3? No. If you keep D over here, it's third left G is possible 1, 2 and 3? Yes. So here it is possible in this manner. Okay. Now, here my dear students, what I will be doing, I will be drawing one more case. I will be drawing one more case. Why I will be drawing one more case? Because this is a topic, seating arrangement puzzle, where cases have to be drawn. So I have drawn a replica of this C, E and F. Okay everybody. Now see my dear students, what are the various possibilities? D's third left is G. Now see, D over here 1, 2 and third left G. Yes, D over here 1, 2 and third left G is possible. Now D over here, okay, and 1, 2 and third left G is possible? Yes. So these are the only 2 places where it is possible, okay. Fine everybody? Fine everyone, yes or no? I hope all of you are getting all the possibilities which I have drawn. Okay, so basically 3 possibilities are there. Now H sits second to the right of A. H sits second to the right of A. H sits second to the right of A. A who is not an immediate neighbor of B. Now see, A's second right is H. A's second right is H. A's second right is H. And A who is not an immediate neighbor of B. Fine. Now A's second right is H is nowhere possible. Now A's second right H is possible, but now B will also be over here, and now they cannot be neighbors. So now H is second to the right of A who is not an immediate neighbor of B. So these two are gone. This is the correct one. Okay, this is the correct one. Now let me reread it. Let me re-verify it. Okay, so 8 persons say 2H are sitting around a circular table. Okay, all of them are facing inside. 2 persons are sitting between E and C. Fine. F sits second to the right of C. Fine. G sits 1, 2 and third to the left of D. Fine. D is neither immediate neighbor of F nor C. H sits second to the right of A who is not immediate neighbor of B. Fine, it's absolutely correct. And now we can proceed with the questions. So in these kind of questions, all the effort is consumed in drawing the final diagram. Once you've drawn that, you can easily answer. EBG, DF, ACH. Okay, fine everybody, solve this. Who amongst the following sits second to the right of D? The one who sits second to the right of D is C, and that is why the correct answer is option number B. Okay. Who among the following sits second to the right of B? Second to the right of B is telling. I have read it D. Okay. Who among the following is second to the right of B? See, B is over here. Its second right is D, and D is given in option number B. It's right. Okay, everybody. So see, so simple question. Now, it is telling you how many persons sit between A and F when counted from the left of A. So when counted from the left of A, 1, 2, 3 and 4 people. 4 people, okay, are sitting to the left of A. Okay, fine. Next, who among the following sits opposite to C? Opposite to C, as you can see, is obviously B. So therefore the right answer is option number D, that is B. Alright everyone. Next, my dear students, which of the following statement is true about G? About G, what is true? G is not immediate neighbor of F. That's wrong. G is indeed a neighbor of F. C sits third to the right of G. Is wrong. Is wrong. Okay, because C sits third to the left of G. B sits opposite to G is also wrong. An immediate neighbor of G faces D is right. An immediate neighbor of G, not this one. An immediate means anyone. So an immediate neighbor of G faces D is absolutely correct, and therefore option D is the valid one. Okay, now who among the following sits third to the left of H? H is over here facing inside. So it's 1, 2 and third left is D, which is given in option number A. Alright everybody. So see the level of the questions. But now before we move ahead, now listen to me very carefully. My dear students, Exampur official app is the one-stop solution for all the government job aspirants, because we cater to all the government job exams. Alright, now see why I'm telling you. I'm giving you 10 reasons. Number 1, we provide you live paid courses with test series. And when I say that, my dear students, many students will ask me, sir, then what is the difference between free of cost YouTube class and paid batches? Why should we pay for it when we are already getting free of cost the same thing at YouTube? My dear students, please understand, at YouTube, whatever we are teaching is a very small amount, very small percentage of what we teach in our paid batches. Next, in the YouTube classes, we have only developed the practice of solving questions, as you can see. What about the basics, theory? In paid batches, first theory, basics, concepts, and then practice questions. Next one, in the YouTube classes towards the end, we only provide you one question as homework. But in paid batches, we provide you complete set of questions as homework. So you are able to practice more. Next, in YouTube classes, we have no doubt resolution mechanism. Whereas in paid batches, we have thorough and very much comprehensive doubt resolution mechanism via Zoom classes. Then, my dear students, in YouTube, we are not able to check whether you are studying or not. But that's the USP of our paid program, that we provide you mentorship cum guidance, where the faculty guides you, mentors you, and checks whether you are studying or not. The faculty takes Zoom session in class and helps you to prepare your timetable, what suits you, checks your growth, tracks your progress, tells you the do's and don'ts, pros and cons of various techniques, and that is till the very end, till your selection. That is the USP, guidance, which should never get anywhere. Next, we provide you free subject-wise and topic-wise quizzes, free, with report card. We provide you free job alert, admit card, and exam date, free. We provide you all exam previous year PDF with solution, and now that is also very, very crucial, very significant. All exams previous year PDF with solution. It's really important for preparation. Next, free of cost, we provide you scholarship test with report card. Then, my dear students, we provide you topic wise free live classes. We provide you free full length and sectional test with report card. We provide you free exam wise PDFs and practice set PDFs. We provide you daily, weekly and monthly current affairs. And then finally, very, very crucial, we provide you unlimited subject wise practice questions. Unlimited. This is the USP. These are very, very significant and important, guys, for your preparation. All right. Next. Now let us come back. So you have already seen the benefits of our app. Now the next question. Okay, now we are back to blood relation again. Hurry up. A proper question of blood relation. Hurry up. Concentrate, guys. I will be giving you 1 more minute after this for the same question. Hurry up. Now see, my dear students, the question is telling you that 8 persons of a family are living in a house. 8 persons of a family are living in a house. There are 2 married couples and 3 generations. There are 2 married couples and 3 generations in this family. Now see, U is the parent of P. Now parent means we are not clear whether father or mother. But okay, U is the parent of P. P who is the only sister of T. P who is the only sister of T. S is the father-in-law of U. So you must be married to somebody. You must be married to somebody, and S is the father-in-law of U. Okay. Now W is the only daughter of S. W is the only daughter of S. Okay. Now if W is the only daughter of S, fine. Now it can be married to this person or some other person. W is the only daughter of S. Now R is the son of Q. R is son of Q, who is the son-in-law of S. R is the son of Q, and Q is son-in-law of S. Now see, if Q is son-in-law of S and R is the son of Q. R is the son of Q, Q who is son-in-law of S. V is the father of T. V is the father of T. So this is the proper family tree that will be drawn. This is the proper family tree that will be drawn. Now let me reread it. Okay, it might be that I have missed any point. So let me check. So there are 8 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spreading across 1, 2 and 3 generations. Now U is the parent of P. P who is the only sister of T. S is the father-in-law of U. W is the only daughter of S. R is the son of Q. Q who is the son-in-law of S. Q is the son-in-law of S. V is the father of T. Fine, V is the father of T. So this is the final diagram. All the points are satisfied. Who among the following is the brother-in-law of V? So brother-in-law of V is Q. Brother-in-law of V is Q. And that is the correct answer. Brother-in-law of V is Q. Okay, everybody? So that is the right answer. Next, it is asking you, how is R related to P? So how is R related to P? In the same diagram, if you check, R is the cousin of P, isn't it? If you check, R is the cousin of P. Okay, so therefore the right answer is cousin. Okay, the right answer is cousin, option number B. All right, everybody. So I will request everybody, those who are live, please like and share this session. Guys, it's extremely important. Now for these kind of questions, maximum 20 to 30 seconds, that's it. So which of the following Venn diagram shows the proper relationship between given words, lake, river and ocean? See, all are the three different forms of water bodies. All are the three different forms of water bodies. Okay, everybody? All are the three different forms of water bodies. Yes or no? Yes or no, my dear students? So therefore, the right answer will be all of them are separate. All of them are separate. Answer is option number 1. The lakes are different, rivers are different, oceans are different. Okay. Next, have a look at this. Solve this one. In the following figure, the rectangle represents male. Now these are also very simple question. Rectangle represents males. Circle represents urban. Circle represents urban. And triangle represents educated. Triangle represents educated. And square represents public servants. Public servants. Okay. Now see, my dear students, what is the question telling? How many educated males are not urban? How many educated males are not urban? See, urban are these. So how many educated and males are not urban? So it's 12. It's 12. Okay, it's 12. These are educated because within triangle and male within rectangle, but obviously they are not urban. So therefore it's the right answer. Option number C, that is 12. So these are the questions of Venn diagram. Next one. Hurry up. The 19th question. Hurry up, everyone. The non-Europeans who know English are represented by. See, non-Europeans who know English. So, non-Europeans who know English. See, English ones are these. Okay, these are English ones. And Europeans are these. So, obviously, it's referring to H. Obviously, it's referring to H. The non-Europeans. See, these are Europeans. These are Europeans. Outside this is non-European, and they are the ones who speak English as well. So the right answer is option number B, that is H. Next. Now we were solving Venn diagram. Now the questions of direction. Okay, everybody. Now the questions of direction. Hurry up. Hurry up. Now see what is the question trying to convey over here. What is the question trying to say over here? You are moving in the east direction. You are moving in the east direction. Now you are following the following turns sequence till you stop. See, you are only following the turn sequence, means you are only turning, you are not moving. See, one right turn is cancelled out by another left turn. Another right turn is cancelled out by another left turn. Another right turn is cancelled out by another left turn. Another right turn is being carried out by another left turn. And another right turn is being cancelled out by another left turn. So only the resultant is left turn. Only the resultant is left turn, means the person will be now moving in the north direction. Okay, and that is the right answer. Okay, see, one right turn and one left turn is cancelled out. One left turn and one right turn gets nullified. Okay, the person will be in the same direction. So that is why I have cancelled out one right turn with one left turn, and at the end only one left turn was remaining. So the person now who is pointing east after turning left will be pointing north. Alright, everybody. Next, solve this one. Hurry up. Now see, X walked 15 meters to the south. Now this is the starting point. X walked 15 meters to the south. Then turned left 15 meters. Turned left 15 meters. So X walked 15 meters to the south, turned left 15 meter and turned left 15 meter. Okay, fine. And walked. Okay, now see, just tell me. It's very simple, guys. X walked 15 meters to the south, turned left 15 meters and turned left and walked 15 meters. How far and in which direction is she or he from the starting position? From the starting position, if this is 15, even this is 15. So from the starting position, 15 meter east. From the starting position, 15 meter east, option number B is the right answer. Next, solve this one. Hurry up. Now question of direction and distance. Solve this. It's very simple one. Now see, my dear students, what is being said over here? Point D is 10 meter north of P. Point D is 10 meter north of P. So this is D and point D is 10 meter north of P. Point D is 10 meter. Point D is 10 meter north of P. Now see, point Y is 14 meter east of D. Point Y is 14 meter east of D. Okay. Now let us see. Point D is 10 meter north of P. Point Y is 14 meter east of D. Now point Q is 8 meter north of Y. Okay, point, let me read it again. Point D is 10 meter south of P. Sorry, point D is 10 meter north of P. Absolutely sorry, point D is 10 meter north of P. Point Y is 14 meter east of D. Point Q is 8 meter north of Y. Point Q is 8 meter. Point Q is 8 meters north of Y. Point S is 20 meter west of Q. Point S is 20 meter west of Q. 20 meter west means if this is 14, even this is 14 and this is 6. So point S is 20 meter west of Q. Point H is 8 meter south of S. Point H is 8 meters south of S. What is the shortest distance between H and D? It's 6. If this is 6, even this is 6. So the right answer is option number B, that is 6. Alright everybody, so once you have drawn the diagram, you can easily answer any question. Next one, solve this one. The 23rd question, this is a question of ranking. This is the question of ranking. Okay everybody, 1 minute. So I hope you are able to witness the level of the mocks at Exampur. They're really they are of a good level, the level that caters to your exam, which will help you in selection. Now see, my dear students, in a row of 560 boys facing east. See, facing in which direction is irrelevant. It can be north, south, west or any sub-direction, northeast, northwest, it's same material. In a row of 560 boys facing east. So suppose this is a row. This is the left end and this is the right end. Okay. So now the question is telling that in a row of 560 boys facing east, Ritesh is at 147th position from the left hand. So this is Ritesh. Ritesh is at 147th position from the left hand. In the same row, Manish is at 118th position from the right. In the same row, Manish is at 118th position from the right. Anand's position is exactly between the positions of Ritesh and Manish. Anand's position is exactly between. So my dear students, now tell me how many persons are there? See, total are 560. So if total are 560 boys minus till here is 147 and till here is 118. So if you solve this, it's 560 minus 8 plus 7, 15, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6, and 1 plus 1, 2, it's minus 265. So it's how much? It's 265, 365, 460, it's basically 295, isn't it? See, 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 6, 9, and 4 minus 2, 2, it's 295. So my dear students, so that simply means that in this region are 295 persons. And the half of 295, if you check, is 2 1 2, it's 147 and 147. Okay, it's 147, 147, it's 294, and this one is 295th. This one is 295th. Point number 1. Now, in the same row, my dear students, it is again telling in the same row, this is the left end and this is the right end. In the same row, my dear students, Sanjay is at 108th position from the left. Sanjay is at 108th position from the left. Whereas Amrendra is at 105th position from the right. This is Amrendra, and Amrendra is at 105th position from the right. Golu's position is exactly between them. So now again tell me, how many persons are in this region? How many boys are in this region? Now if you want to find the number of boys in this region, it's again the same thing. Total 560 minus till here 108 plus till here 105. So it's 560 minus 213. 108 and 105, 213, which is 10 minus 3, 7, 5 minus 1, 4, and 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, everybody? Fine? Fine, everybody? Getting it? Now, what is half of this? 2 1 ja 2. Okay, 2 1 ja 2. Okay, 347. So, if I get 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 173 and 173 over here, this is the 3. See, it is 346, 173 and 173. 173 and 173 is 346, and the middle one is 347. Now, it is telling you how many boys are there between Anand and Golu. How many boys are there between Anand and Golu? Now, just apply your mind. Anand's position from the left is how much? Anand's position from the left is 147 plus 147 plus 1, it's 295. Anand's position from the left is 295. Okay, fine, everybody. And Golu's position from the left is 108 plus 173. It's 281. Okay, Golu's position from the left is 281. How? 108 plus 173. Okay, everybody? Fine, everybody? Okay, and now what is the difference between them? 5 minus 1, 4, and 9 minus 8, 1. So 14 persons. Now just tell me, my dear students, now, as you all are well aware that this position, as you can see, please understand, my dear students. Can I draw it over here? Okay, I will draw it over here, my dear students. See, suppose this is the row. This is the right hand and this is the left hand. Now, here it is telling you that Golu is 281 from the left. This is Golu. Golu is 281 from the left. And this is Amrendra, or whatever is the name, Anand. And Anand is 295. And now if we want to find the number of persons between them, that is what is asked. How many boys are there between them? So now, my dear students, 281. What should be added to 281 to reach 295? Because we have to find the number of boys between them. Okay, so 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 93, 294. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, everybody? It is 13. But now please understand, from 281, it's 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 92, 93, 94. And then will be 295. Then will be 295. All right, everybody? Fine. I think I should recheck. Once I will recheck. Okay. So now please understand it, my dear students. So in a row of 560 boys, facing east is not a problem. Ritesh is at 147th position from the left. In the same row, Manish is at 118th position from the right. Anand's position is exactly midway of Ritesh and Manish. Now see, 560 total minus till here 147 plus till here 118. So 147 plus 118 is what? 7 plus 8, 15. 4, 5, 6, and this is 265. This is 265. And now 560 minus 265, if you just add them, 265 and 295, what are you going to get? 5 plus 5, 10, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 16, and it's 560. It's absolutely fine. All the calculations are fine over here. Over here, in the same row, Sanjay is at 108th position from the left, whereas Amrendra is 105th position from the right. Golu is exactly midway between them. Now see again, 560 minus 108 plus 105. If you add them, 108 plus 105, it's 13 and it's 213. Now this minus this. So let us just add 347 plus 213, 7 plus 3, 10, 6 and 560. It's absolutely fine. Now just tell me, everything is fine so far. My dear students, everything is fine so far. And now we have to find how many boys are there between Anand and Golu. Anand's position from the left will be how much? Anand's position from the left will be how much? 147 plus 147 plus 1. Anand's position will be 147 plus 147 plus 1. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 9, it's 295 as you can see. This person, Golu's position from the left. Golu's position from the left is 108 plus 173 plus 1. 108 plus 173 plus 1. 108 plus 173 over here plus 1. Alright everybody, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 8 and this is 282. See, this is 282. My dear students, it's 282. It's 282. Okay, it's 282. So now this is 282. So this is the calculation that we were going wrong, 282. And now between them, how many persons will be there? Between them, how many persons will be there, guys? Just check. Just check. Okay, between 282 and 295, 282 to 83, to 84, to 85, to 86, to 87, to 88, to 89, to 90, to 91, 92, 93, and 94. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 12 persons are there in between them. And now how to find that very easily? Just subtract this minus this. 295 minus 282. Now 295 minus 282 is 5 minus 2, 3. It is 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, everybody? It is 5 minus 2, 3, 9 minus 8, 1. So it's 13. But 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. But number of numbers between them is only 2. Isn't it? Similarly, difference of 1 and 5 is 4. But number of numbers between them is 2, 3, 4, only 3. So that is the point. The difference we don't have to find out, that we will answer 13. Number of numbers between them will be 1 less 12. Will be 1 less 12. And that is the right answer. Alright everybody, fine. So with this, we come to an end of this session. I hope you all realize the level of the mocks at our platform. My dear students, this will be your home exercise. Please solve it and answer it under the comment box. Okay everybody, so now you all will be solving it and you all will be answering it under the comment box, and you all are well aware that I will be more than happy and proud to answer to your comments over there. Alright everybody, I will be more than happy and proud to answer to your comments over there. Please solve this and answer this. Okay everybody, fine. So with this, we come to an end of the session. Thank you everybody. Do not go anywhere because we have the next session right now of English. Thank you. Take care guys.